What are you doing? You are
Me?
suspicious. Yes. Suspicious
I'm not
as
doing anything.
always.
I'm not doing anything.
Yes, sure. Of course.
What you mean? I ain't nothing.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't doing nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. I'm just looking at the new character. I bought this. I bought the skin. Then I bought her the new the highlight intro. Then I'm
Oh my
thinking of
god, you are
buying.
spending stuff. Oh my god.
No, it's free.
What?
Yeah, it's like points. It's just points that they give every time you play. So you get to buy
Oh,
skins for free.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I never
Oh,
bought
you can
any
buy.
skins.
Oh, then you probably have more than enough then. Yeah,
I
what
don't
level are
know.
you?
I don't know.
Let me see. You're level
I'm
61. I'm level.
yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my god. Jesus.
Oh.
Jesus.
I thought you're higher level than me.
Yeah, no, I expected it to be lower, but not this much.
Uh, hmm. Yeah.
Oh, but I have higher endorsement level than you. Haha.
Oh yeah, because like they don't endorse me in Asia. In Asia, we don't endorse as much.
Mmm.
Like even if you're doing good, they don't really endorse.
Mm.
We as like if I have play with friends, we just endorse each other. That's about it.
Oh, yeah, same. I did it with you.
Yeah, same. I did it with you. I'll buy this one then. Boom. Laugh attack. Yes. Damn.
What else do I have? I have a purple one. Space
How much points
Prince.
do you have then?
Uh, 4,200, I think. If that's the credit.
Yeah. The color white symbol.
Yeah,
Yeah.
4,200.
Yeah. That's enough, I think, for you to buy something. Like that. No, nothing else can be.
Can I just buy the skins separately? I want this one. Because this one's purple.
Oh, who's lurking? Golden Bobby.
Huh?
I don't know. Oh no. Midori is saying. Oh yeah, she. It's Golden Bobby.
That's the Bobby. Wait, I can buy it separately? Wait, what? What's this blue point? Tokens for Overwatch League shop item. Huh? Try it out. Oh, that's just practice range.
Yeah, you can try her out. You can try all the characters here.
No, I'm trying the skin.
Oh, that's
Wait, you are
nice.
here too? Nice.
Yeah, you can check it out with when you press C or hold C and then the emote, like hover on the emote which is on the top.
Emote.
Hmm.
Oh, I like the wings.
Yeah, the wings is nice.
I love the hair too. No, actually, I love this skin. It looks cool. I like it. Shooting Kef. I'm shooting him.
again.
Yes. Shooting Cav Part 4. Oh, oh, I'm dodging. Oh,
Oh,
oh. What's this? Oh,
yeah, you see your ult. Yeah.
whee. Yip, 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 yip.
Quadruple kill. Oh, yeah, I think this one's better because it's movable.
Whee. Whee. How far I can go? Oh, this is the max.
Yeah, FPS is dying.
Huh? Your
Yeah, FPS is
FPS?
dying.
No.
Yeah, yeah, it's like 60 when the more I shoot and the more I like flick my mouse.
Aw.
Yeah, I probably need to increase my not to increase, buy a new RAM.
Hmm.
Yeah.